Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I was gonna put some video, but I decided not to. I put the valve seats in here. All I did was just take sockets and put the valves in and just hit these down into the grooves to make sure that they're in there, they won't come out, blah blah blah. So what we're gonna start doing is actually by putting the valves back in and the what you call it, the springs. We're gonna get the springs back in here, the valves, so we put this head back on top of the cylinder. We have her at top dead center, and then all I gotta do is just take the change tensioner, and I'll put her onto here. I gotta reset her so she's not tight. Other than that, so we're gonna start off with just getting this thing done here. And all right, so I got some brake cleaner here. We're gonna clean out some of these parts here without getting my eyeball. So to begin and start putting these valves back in, what we have to do is seat the valves. So right now, the intake valves were a little discombobulated, so oh god, sorry, breathing the fumes of this stuff here. But so what I got for that is, all right guys, so I got the valves and springs already. So what we have here is called Precision Blue. The idea of this stuff is to tell you where there's contact on here, onto here. So for example, we'll do an intake valve first. So I've seen a couple ways of this being worked. So a lot of people I've seen done this way, where like you put the blue on here and then you put the valve on and then you turn it and see where it's at that way. Or you can do it this way, which I'm gonna try this way out first. We're gonna do is just dab some of this onto here. And I'm going to rub some of it onto the valve here. So now that I got some of the blue on here, so I'll do a little oil onto there. And what we're going to do now is, just let her flop in like this. Push her through like that, and just rub her like this. Gonna twist it a little bit, and then now we're gonna lift off. And now you don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up or not, but you'll see a blue line that goes around. And to be honest, it doesn't look too bad. There seems like a little bit of gap there. Yeah, it's actually not too bad. Just that one spot. But now that we've done that, we see kind of like all the imperfections in it. What we're going to do now is, we'll use a clean rag. We're going to wipe this off here. Now what you do, you have this valve grinding compound. You do not want to get this on the stem. You do not want to sand down this. That's basically what this stuff does. It sands down this to make a perfect groove for this valve to go into this one. Not this one, this one. Each valve will go into a certain one, and this will match that valve to the port. So what you kind of want to do with this stuff is you just kind of want to, we'll get one of these guys. We'll kind of just dip this down here, and what we'll do, we'll put it right on the valve. Just want to get it on the valve, nothing else. This is kind of like sandpaper, liquid sandpaper. Dip this back in here, let it fall in, and we take our little stick friend here, and what you do, you push it down like this, suction cup it, and just go like this. And looking at it, it looks pretty good. And like I said, looking at the wear line, it's like dead center on the valve, and it looks all even on it. Now, if you really want to, you can do another blue thing. You'll do another blue, so like And once again, just twist it a little bit. If I can find it. All right, we take it back out. And now we can see that the blue line is solid, going around. And after that, you're good. Take this, wipe this off again.